Wow, completely frozen.
This is BougeRV CRH portable refrigerator, and this changes everything when it comes to traveling and being able to have a refrigerator and a freezer for you. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Now, this does come with both an AC and a DC cord. You can get this model with the battery or without the battery. This is actually where you're gonna plug it in. This is not only a refrigerator, it's also a freezer. So last night I put this on down to 5 degrees. And here's the pack on the top. It's still a little frozen. I dropped this down to 40 degrees is where you want it for food. It is not a dual zone, so you got to choose which one you want, but it's a good amount of space. You definitely fit something in here big, like a 2-liter, a bunch of cans, food to keep it safe. It snaps shut, and it has a nice carrying handle. It's also very quiet at 45 decibels. Also, what's nice is this can cool down to 0 degrees, even if it's 89 degrees outside. Just to show you how this works, you turn it on here, and you can do Celsius or Fahrenheit. You'll see I have it set to 40, and you can change it to whatever you want. This is going to change from max mode to eco mode. Let's take this out to my car. I'm going to show you how it fits in there and how you can travel with a refrigerator and or a freezer. To get the CRH20 on your phone, just go to Google or Apple Store, download the BougeRV app, click on the unit, and you can see on the screen it already says 40 degrees. That's what I have it at. I can change it from eco mode to max. I can also make the temperature go up or down, and that is all you have to do, or you can power off the unit. Here's the refrigerator. As you can see, it fits perfectly in between there. You still have access to your charging here with your DC cord. Now, I've got the battery in here. This will run off of both. You can still open this up. I have this set to 40 degrees. As far as for travel, you are ready to go, and if you need to adjust, you can even adjust it right here. If you're looking for a portable refrigerator or freezer, take a look at the BougeRV portable refrigerator.